To make coffee filter tie-dye, we need white coffee filters, food colors, and a little water. We will fold our coffee filter in half and then in half again so it's in the shape of a triangle. Next, we will squeeze our food coloring onto the coffee filter. After we do the food coloring, we need to pour a little water onto the coffee filter so the colors start to blend together. We have to wait for the coffee filter to dry before opening it up and looking at our cool tie-dye designs.
Let's make Play-Doh Animal Find. So the two things we need for this is some Play-Doh and then animals or any characters that you have lying around your house. First, we need to roll the Play-Doh into a ball. You can roll it and squeeze it together. Now you're going to press it out. And I have a dinosaur, so I'm going to put the dinosaur into the Play-Doh. And then I'm going to squish the Play-Doh around the dinosaur so the dinosaur is completely inside the Play-Doh. Just like that. Now I'm going to do it for the next two dinosaurs that I have. So roll it into a ball and press it out. This one's a Triceratops, and I'm going to push the Triceratops into the Play-Doh and roll it around like that. And for the third one, it's an Ankylosaurus. I'm going to push him in the middle. Like that. Okay, now for the fun part. Let's open up our Play-Doh balls and see what's inside. Let's start with the blue one. So squish the Play-Doh. There's something inside. I wonder what it could be. It's a Triceratops. Okay, let's see what's in our pink one. So squish, 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 and pull the Play-Doh away. And I have another dinosaur. Whoa! I think this one's an Ankylosaurus. Maybe it's a Stegosaurus. I'm not sure. And for our last one, we have the orange ball. Let's see what's inside. Oh my gosh. I think this one's a Stegosaurus. Rah.
To make Fizzy Ice, you need a bowl, ice cubes, food coloring, baking soda, water, vinegar, and a squeeze bottle or a cup.
Let's make Fizzy Ice. So we're gonna start with a bowl full of ice. It's nice and cold. And then we're going to get our baking soda and we're going to sprinkle the baking soda all over the ice, just like now we're going to add our food coloring. So for my Fizzy Ice, I'm going to pick red and blue. So we'll do 3 drops of red and 3 drops of blue. All right, so I have my 3 drops of red in the bowl. And now I'm going to add 3 drops of blue into the bowl. 1, 2, 3. All right, and now we're going to get our vinegar mixed with water in a squeeze bottle, or you can use a cup, whichever you have. Now we're going to squeeze our vinegar all over our iced baking soda and food color. Whoa! It's getting all fizzy. The colors are all blending together. Then you can feel it and put your hands in it. It's so cold and super fizzy. And that's how you make Fizzy Ice.
To make a bubble snake, you need bubbles, a plate or a flat surface to squeeze the bubbles onto, a plastic bottle or a funnel,
a sock or cloth, a rubber band, and a bowl or a container. If you do not have a funnel and are using a plastic bottle, you will first need to cut the plastic bottle in half. Next, you will put the sock or cloth over the end of the funnel or the plastic bottle. Next, you will use your rubber band to secure the cloth or sock to the end of the plastic bottle or the funnel. Okay, squeeze the bubbles onto the lid. Good. Perfect. Dip. You will then blow into the top of the bottle or the tip of the funnel and watch your bubble snake grow. Look at it go! That's such a huge bubble snake!